Alright, I just picked up this camera and mailed to my parents' house. So here I am. I'm gonna get Chinese food with Kassidy today. About a year ago, I went with her to McDonald's and filmed it on a broken 2008 flip video camcorder. So I think I'm gonna do it again and just make it a little series where I go and get food and record the process on a terrible, wacky little camera. And today we're doing a $10 camera from Amazon, made in like North Korea or something. It's really bad. Just unlock it, the window's open.
How do I unlock it?
You just do that.
I bought you an air freshener.
Really? That's good, because this one's used up. Smile for the camera.
That's so small.
What's so funny?
Nothing. Nothing is funny. I'm very serious.
Where do you want to eat?
What if instead of going to eat actual food, we go to the dispensary and get edibles?
The second I start to record something that's at least from 2007. Am I in the shot? Am I in the band? This will be like a new series, like my trip to McDonald's with you on my other terrible camera last summer. This will be a continuation.
I don't know if I remember that.
You don't? Oh, it's on my YouTube. Go subscribe.
It's on your YouTube?
Yes. It has like 10 views.
Can't wait to make that up.
I have to stand really far back because of how weird this camera lens is. So I can only see like a portion of you at a time.
You look skinny and lanky.
Better than last year. I was really fat last summer. I was like 40 pounds heavier. But then I lost all of that weight because my girlfriend abandoned me because I became a war hero. You're speaking to a member of the U.S. Army, Kassidy. You better hold your horses.
Guess how much the Starbucks drink was?
How much was your dollar store drink?
$3.75.
Ah, Joe Biden.
I did that.
Inflation. Dollar Tree raised their price on their Starbucks drink.
SMH.
SMH my fucking head. Anyway. Here's the Chinese food. Mine's Mongolian food, to be specific. The camera was like $10 online, and it says it can zoom up to like 16 times. Digital zoom, so not even good zoom in the first place, and it just can't. This is the most. You'll see the footage when it's done. It's gonna make everything look gray. It looks. I can't even describe how bad it is. See me?
I can see you or the food. Not and.
Just see me, alright?
Okay.
I'll hold up my food.
There we go.
This food, my Mongolian food from the Chinese place, 8.2 out of 10.
You heard it here first.
The angle is so awful. Dude. See, I can see you in the food.